If you walk into a room and people don't feel you, it's not because you're invisible. It's because your presence is leaking. Your posture leaks, your eyes leak, your words leak, your attention leaks, and the world can smell that hunger for validation, even when you try to hide it. Stay with me and I'll give you 6 habits that seal those leaks so your calm becomes intimidating, your mind becomes unbreakable, and you become impossible to ignore without acting, without begging, without pretending. Listen, you don't need to become louder to be noticed. You need to become denser, because people don't respect noise. They respect weight. Right now, many of you are trying to be attractive the same way a street vendor tries to sell, calling out, chasing attention, bending your shape to fit the crowd. That is not attraction. That is hunger, and hunger smells, even if you hide it with confidence tricks. The body reveals the truth. Attraction is not a technique. It is the side effect of inner order. When a person is aligned mind, body, spirit, moving in one direction, people feel it. Before you speak, they don't know why. They just know this person is not begging. This person is not leaking. This person is not scattered. And in a world of scattered minds, a steady one becomes rare. Rare becomes valuable. Valuable becomes attractive. But you want more than attraction. You want mental strength, because beauty without strength becomes fear. Fear of losing it, fear of rejection, fear of time. So today I will give you 6 habits, not cute habits, not life hacks, habits that will make you heavier, habits that sharpen you from the inside out. If you apply them, your presence will change. People will treat you differently, not because you ask them to, because your energy will demand it. Now, before we begin, you must understand one thing. Your life is training. Everything is training. The way you wake up, the way you eat, the way you look at people, the way you avoid discomfort, the way you reach for your phone when the mind becomes quiet and you panic. Most people don't train, they cope, they distract, they numb, they perform, and then they wonder why they feel weak. If you want to become strong, stop building a personality and start building a structure. The first habit, command your body like it is your house. If your house is messy, you feel it. You can pretend you are fine, but the mess drains you. It steals your focus. It lowers your standards. Your body is the same. Your posture is not a detail. Your posture is a message. Your nervous system reads all day. When you collapse, your mind collapses. When you stand like someone who can be pushed, your life will push you. You will say you want respect, but you will negotiate with yourself every hour and lose. Stand up properly, not for others, for you. Shoulders relaxed, chest open, spine tall, not stiff, not aggressive. Present when you enter a room. Don't arrive as a question, arrive as a statement. And don't just fix posture. Train it until it becomes your default. Because your default is your destiny. Each day, take 10 minutes and practice. Still posture, stand, breathe, feel the feet, feel the crown of the head rising. Let the jaw loosen. Let the eyes soften. Let the belly breathe. When the mind runs, bring it back. Do it again and again. You are teaching your system. I am safe in stillness. I don't need to fidget to exist. I don't need to perform to deserve space. This is already attraction, because calm is attractive. Calm tells the world I have control. And then there is breath. Breath is the bridge between body and mind. If your breath is shallow, your life becomes shallow. Most people breathe like they are apologizing for taking air. Then they wonder why anxiety sits on their chest like a stone. Train your breath to be deep, quiet, and slow. Not only when you meditate, when you walk, when you speak, when you wait. A person who breathes well does not rush. A person who does not rush becomes hard to manipulate. The second habit, clean your speech. Your words are not just information. They are energy. They reveal your inner state. People feel when your words are heavy and when they are cheap. If you talk too much, you are telling the world you are nervous in silence. If you explain too much, you are telling the world you need approval. If you gossip, you are telling the world you are small inside. Clean speech means say less, mean more. Before you speak, ask, is it true? Is it useful? Is it necessary? Is it kind? Not kind like soft, kind like precise. Stop filling space with noise. Stop trying to be liked through words. You want to be attractive. Become someone whose words land. Become someone who can pause and not panic. Become someone who can listen without thinking of what to say next. A strong mind does not interrupt reality. It receives it, and listening real. Listening is power. Also, stop speaking against yourself. Some of you insult yourself as a joke. You think it